If they want to, they would. If gusto nila te, gagawin nila yan. After watching this movie, he's not just into you. Dito mo ma-realize na bawat isa sa atin is merong exception. For example, te ha, meron kang crush. So, ikaw te, since super mahiyain ka, super hindi ka te kaya makipag-socialize or umamin te sa crush mo, and yung mga previous na crush mo te is kinaya mo na hindi umamin, pero this new crush of yours te is super crush mo talaga. And feel mo talaga te, sila na yung forever mo, like very dilulu ka te. Kaya mong umamin sa kanila because they are the exception. Lahat ng mga hindi mong kayang gawin te, previously, is kaya mong gawin para sa kanila. Another example te, if you're in a long-term relationship, ganyan. If 7 years na kayo in a relationship te, pero still wala pa ring sing-sing, hindi pa rin kayo married, wala pa rin mga plano-plano, hindi ikaw yung exception. Hindi magmamatter kung gaano katagal na kayo nagsama te, pero if yung partner mo or ikaw te is hindi mo kaya mag-sacrifice or literally to commit to be with that person forever te, they are not your exception. Ito yung sakata na, but you are the only exception. Yun yung minimin ko te, meron talagang taong lahat no parang hindi natin mga kayang gawin te is kaya natin gawin because they are the exception. So this is just a reminder te na wag kang maging delusional, kasi if gusto ng tao na yan te na you know what I mean te, to do that thing, to do the action, to do the work, they will. Gagawa sila ng paraan te if you are the exception. But if wala silang action te, if still nasa situationship pa rin kayo te, and you are not stated as a thing, you are not the exception. You are just a casual thing. I watched this one interview then na, you know when you love someone, when hindi mo kayang i-measure how much you can sacrifice for them. How much you can let go of something na hindi mo kayang gawin just for them. They are the exception. Medyo masakit to te, but need mo yung real talk te as your friend. Concern lang ako sa'yo te na huwag kang maging over-delusional. Huwag kang mag-imagine dyan te ng mga future names na ng mga anak niyo. Sila na yung magiging knight in shining armor, like love of my life, no te. If they are not doing the work, or maybe if ikaw te, you are not doing the work, they are not the exception. Sorry, not sorry, but yeah, that's all for me.